Hey guys, for today's vlog, I'm going to show you on how to fix your computer if it appears to be correctly configured but a device or resource DNS server is not responding. This time we are going to try to open a website. As you can see guys, the site can't be reached. Now we are going to click the troubleshooting problems to know what's wrong. Here's the result. Problem found. Your computer appears to be correctly configured, but the device or resource DNS server is not responding. So we have to click the search icon, type CMD, and run as administrator. On the CMD window, type ipconfig //flash DNS and press enter. Next, type ipconfig /register DNS and press enter. Next, type ipconfig /release and press enter. And lastly, type ipconfig /renew and press enter. So after that, we are going to open that website that can't be reached earlier. So as you can see, the website is now working. So that's all for today's vlog, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay safe guys. Bye.